Nice way to start. Nice way to start.
Yeah. Great job, guys. Let's go. Maybe in his way. Back! Off the back! Find the guy! Get that ball, man. Stay down! High hand! We go! Two, baby! That's right! Let's go! Let's go! Let's get a stop! Get a stop!
Close out on all shots. Good heads, Cade. Nice D. Push, push, push!
Off the back, Michael! Hit back! You're good, you're good! Hit back! Go through! You're good! Oh.
That boy Cade. That boy Cade.
Go through! Hey, cut! Cut!
There we go.
Get some D, guys. Get some D. Get a stop. Cool.
Pick him up earlier. Keep moving, keep moving.
Kick, kick. Wild shot right there. Play up. Get back, stop the ball.
Good hands. Deny, 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 deny. Run the floor.
That's a wild shot. KJ. Hit that, hit that, hit that. That's it, Cole. Come on. All right, practice, coach.
Need to knock it down. Good rebound, Cade. Hit him. Hey, on go, pass, go to the short corner. Get that rotating.
Who's got X? Gotta get him.
35. Nice effort.
Good job, good job.
Build on the lead. Build on this lead. Hey, he's got range. rebounding machine right now, man.
Offense, Amore.
Keep working, Cade.
Go through, cut through, cut through.
Hit. Post Cade. Post Cade. There you go. Get down, baby. Nice.
Play some deep. I know he fouled off. All day. Come on.
Nice, Cade.
Nice take, nice take.
KJ. Hey, more sense of urgency. Just get to the guy and close it out. He's got range. It's fine. The effort's good. You just got to be there defensively.
Nice post.
The next time you guys go back in, reiterate go. When you pass through, you follow through to the short corner. When you get that rotation going, it opens everything up. Tell your guards. And there's a big, they're going to clap, you get a wide open layup somewhere. Hey, way to work, man. Way to work.
Nice start. Get a breather. Get a breather. Keep going back. Run it. There you go.
Corner.
Keep your head up. Keep your head up.
There
Bring
you go.
it. Hit that. Come on.
You guys get a little slow there. The up. Good hustle.
Good job, Max. Sit down. Right there, 30. Thank you. Oh, I know. I was just testing you. Oh. Hey, listen, guys. Let me off. Yeah, you gotta do back here. You gotta do this way. Right. You guys gotta keep moving the ball. Pass, get through.
Whatever wing you pass to, follow to the short corner. And the bigs gotta be ready.
Gotta be ready. Look inside.
That's easy. Hey. Easy scoring.
Where's Kate? They can't stop it. Get him the ball. When you get it, take it. Let's go. Let's go. I was testing to see what else was down.
He's got to keep building on this lead.
That's why we got.
There you go. There you go.
Hit that! Ah! Let's go, boys! Come on!
Hey, no threes. No threes. Good head. All right, Kate, head fake, head fake.
Run the play, guys. We need that.
It's off us.
Get back!
Deny him, deny him.
Come on, let's go. Get back. You need a bucket, coach. Kick it! Nice take! Let's get back! Play some feet! Come on!
Way to move your feet. Good D. Great D. Great D.
Nice shot. Good job, bro. Nice shot, Owen. Let's go.
Run, go.
Get down there. All those shots, coach.
There you go. That's a walk. KJ, who do you have? KJ, who do you have?
There it is. Kick it. Kick it. 2 in a row. Wow.
Nope.
Drop, drop, drop.
Got him.
Drop.
Reconfirm who everybody's got.
Nice shot. Nice shot. Nice shot. Nice shot. Good job. I want you to shoot it. We have to stand up too?
Hey, all it takes when you don't have enough sense of urgency on D is not guarding your guy and they hit open threes.
Yeah.
6 points,
Guys,
bang, they get the
they're going to hit
momentum.
the threes. Listen, we got a 10-point lead. Listen, play smart basketball. We don't need to come down there and jack up the shot. You know what we need to do? We need to eat some clock now. Smart plays.
Take care of the ball, no turnovers.
50 fouls today. Go. Hey, we go down there and jack stuff up. All we need to do is just check the ball.
Here we go. Help him out, KJ. Help him out. Wow, great drive. He got shipped up. Help out, help out.
Smart, Amari, smart, smart.
Let's go, V cut again.
Oh, that's all flex. Guys, time out. Time out.
Pass fake, if it's not there, reverse it.
They don't carry. They don't carry over. Have a seat. Have a seat. Listen to me. We got an 8-point lead. No, we don't. Smart plays, we're going to hold the ball. Good start. Hold well, hold good start. Good shot, take it. Really get the ball, be on my end. Press offense. That's what he last time he tried to split two guys.
Go to the basket.
Shoot it!
Good, Cade. Gotta get out, Cole.
KJ, come do a 2-foot jump stop, square up, and hit that shot. All right, here we go. D up, D up. Great shot. Great mid-range shot. Nice job. D up. Who's got 23?
Who's got 23? Help, help, help!
Oh, God.
Come on, guys! Keep him in front. Keep him in front of work. Keep him in front of work. Ruffle down. You're good. You're good. High hand. High. There we go. Bravo! Go! Rub it up. Good foot. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Pull up. Pull up.
What's it going to take to play some defense? I mean, we know they can shoot.
Nice job, Matthew! Got a hand on one, Hunter! That should have been yours!
I know.
Good help! Nice job, Alex! High hand, high hand! There we go! You're good, you're good! Nice help, Michael! Rebound! What?
Nice rebound, Cade.
Nice some D! Gotta be strong with that one here. There you go. Nice touch. Good ball, good ball. Hey, stay active! Rebound! Come on! Stop ball! Rebound! Nice job, Matthew!
Good shot, KJ. Good shoot.
Shoot three out next time! Grab it, grab it! Here we go, you got it! Come on! Wait, Mike, there you go. What's that? Good call, bro. Right, right. Ball up! Go, go! Outrun him! There we go! Let him run with him.
Jeez, oh.
High hand! Rebound! Let's go! Ooh, no, no, no. Play it, play it. Good shot. Move it, Jeremy. You're done. You're done. Move it. Watch it. Get it on
Good D.
Come out. Come out. Listen up, listen up. Hey, listen. We're in this game, okay? We're in this game. Don't think you're gonna win every time down with the best section of your life, right? I'm not playing. Get out. Same thing that should happen. You're gonna win, but get out. Okay? When they step over across the line, they're ready to start. That means you keep them put back. And what's up with you guys not knowing this guard? Probably 3 of them is because you guys don't on your
Go 3. 1, 2, 3. Get them both.
settle down on your plane. Then step across and hit them. I don't want to see you 5 foot because you're going to teach.
Everybody needs to work as hard as Kate on D. The guy's diving over cameras and tables. Let's have everybody same intensity. Go, run, go. Run, go.
Nice job, Van Thielen. Nice job. Stay down. Stay down. He's counting. Here we go. Active. Active. Nice job, Marquise. High hand. Watch the hook. Rebound.
Get down. Great rebound.
Right hand rebound.
Run, go.
Go!
Rebound. Get there. Good push. Run with him. I see you. I see you. Finish it. Get in there, young one. Get over here. Get out.
Baby, it's time to play.
Mark, ball. Now you play.
Go, need a bucket. Need a bucket.
Active on the ball. Good help, good help. Set. You're good, you're good. Marquise, you're in the hole. Right here. Nice job, Marquise. Right here. There we go. Active. Stay down. Who's it on, Marquise? Nice job.
Good hands. Great hands.
No! White ball!
Deny him. Deny him.
Hey, right here. Finish it. Get in here, man. Nice job, Michael.
We're getting outworked.
Yeah.
That's Michael. You're good. Who's in the hole? Good help.
Cut short corner.
Oh, that should have been your steal, though. I see you, Van Thielen. Right here. Rebound. Nice.
That easy. It's that easy. D up. D up.
Help!
Keep that rebound, Michael.
We're picking up way too late.
Hey, guys!
What's up, Marquis?
Pick up the cutter, guys! Pick up the cutter, that's up!
Right here. Rebound. Grab it. Hey. Good find. Go to work on him. There we go.
Guys, just stand there looking at it.
Rebound.
Feed off that. Feed off that.
Help!
Just get lower and move your feet. Get lower, more athletic, move your feet. You guys got to outwork him here these last 4 minutes. Call it out right now. you guys better be sure. Easy. Nice. Gotta go.
How many fouls? How many fouls? I know, how many are there?
It's unbelievable. How many team fouls?
It takes 10 to get into
Right.
1-on-1.
But what are they at? Oh, they got them.
6 or yeah, they're on there. So.
Okay. Deny. Don't let him catch.
Let's see it, let's see it, let's see it, let's see it! Good, good! How many more we got? Hey, let's go, guys! Let's go! Go for the steal, go for a steal!
You're good. Strong with the ball.
That's broken! Good, good! I didn't know you had that stuff. Same thing, Greg! Get him! Let's get the shooter! Shooter!
Nice job, Michael. Hey, knock it down. Hey, go to the left. Nice job. Go to the left. Find the guy. Find the guy. Good help. Good help. Tie up. Good block.
Take it.
Right here! Rebound, start! Go! You're good, you're good, you're good! Mark. Pass and cut! Hard cut!
Over back!
Stay in the hole, Van Felix! Double up! Right in! Rebound! Good job!
Get one!
There you go.
Push, push, push.